Hello everyone, welcome back to Mira's Tech. If you're planning to install a clean version of Windows and you're confused about one important thing, whether your hard drive is formatted as MBR or GPT, then this video is exactly for you. Many people face boot errors during Windows installation simply because they choose the wrong boot mode for their USB drive. So, before installing Windows, it's very important to know whether your system uses MBR or GPT Partition style. So in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to check your hard disk partition style in less than 1 minute. Let's get started. First, go to the Start menu on your Windows computer. In the search box, type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, or simply type Disk Management. When you see the option appear, click on it. This will open the Disk Management window. Now you will see all your hard drives and partitions displayed on the screen. Here is a very important point. You must not right-click on a partition, such as Drive C or Drive D. Instead, you must right-click on the actual disk label. For example, Disk 0, Disk 1, or whichever disk you want to check. So carefully locate your main hard drive or SSD, then right-click on the left side label where it says Disk 0 or Disk 1. In my case, it's Disk 1. From the menu, click on Properties. A new window will open. Now go to the Volumes tab. Here you will see an option called Partition Style. It will clearly show whether your disk is formatted as Master Boot Record, MBR, or GUID Partition Table, GPT. That's it. This is all you need to check your partition scheme. No software required, no technical tools, and no risk. Now that you know your partition style, you can prepare your bootable USB correctly. If your disk shows GPT, you should boot your USB in UEFI mode. If your disk shows MBR, you should boot your USB in Legacy or CSM mode. This ensures smooth Windows installation without errors. I hope this video helped you understand how to quickly check your hard disk partition style before installing Windows. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mira's Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.